Click the Ice button on the screen to take ice. Place the cup under the ice outlet and push the board inward, starting to release ice. After releasing the push plate, stop release ice. Click the Ice Water button on the screen. Place the cup under the ice outlet and push the board inward. Start releasing ice water. After releasing the push plate, stop releasing the ice water. Click the Water button on the screen. Place the cup under the ice outlet and push the board inward. Start flowing water. After releasing the push plate, stop releasing the water. Click the Ice button on the screen. Long press the key lock button to lock the current menu. Press and hold the key lock button again to unlock the current menu. When the ice maker is not used for a long time, click the Ice button to empty the ice inside the ice maker. After empty, long press the Clean button to enter the cleaning program. There is wastewater flowing out from the outlet below the water tray. The cleaning program lasts approximately 120 seconds. After cleaning is completed, it will automatically shut down.